Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to get the film look in Davinci Resolve with just 3 easy steps. Let's get to it. First, you have your imported footage. Create a new timeline and drag your footage into your timeline. From here you can cut, trim and make adjustments to your footage. And when you're ready, go into your color tab. Right guys, first create 3 extra nodes. From here you want to name this node Color Space Transform. And this node is the film emulator. Step 2. Go to your Open Effects tab and search for Color Space Transform. Drag it onto your node and you want to change the output gamma to Cineon Film Log. Moving over to the next node, you want to right click the node, LUT Film Looks and choose Rec 709 Codec 2393D55. And right there you just applied a cinema look to your footage. Step 3. You want to create a primary adjustment node to further maximize the look you want for your video. You can also play around all the LUT in the film look LUT and choose what is the most better for your taste. And just note that D55 is the warmer look of the LUT and D65 will look colder and D60 is just the color temperature balanced. Step 4. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and let the YouTube algorithm know that maybe someone like you might like this video too. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.